Hello students, today we are going to start the examples on the cross product, that is the vector product, in the exercise 5.4. First example of the exercise 5.4. If A bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap and B bar is equal to I cap minus 4J cap plus 2K cap, then find A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. Now, here the two vectors are given, A bar and B bar, but we want to find the cross product of vector A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Okay, here given vectors A bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap. B bar is equal to I cap minus 4J cap plus 2K cap. Okay, now these are the given vector, but we want to find the cross product of A bar plus B bar. Therefore, it is A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. It is 3I cap minus J cap, 3J and minus 4J, and plus K cap, minus K plus 2K. And now second vector, it is A bar minus B bar. Okay, A bar minus B bar, that is 2I minus I, it is I. 2I cap minus I cap, it is I cap. Then 3J cap minus 4J cap, it is plus 7J cap. And minus K minus 2K, it is minus 3K cap. Okay, now we want to find the cross product of these two vectors. Okay, cross product. Okay, the vectors cross product by using the components. Okay, now therefore we can write A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar is equal to, it is a determinant of I, J and K. Okay, in second row take the components of the first vector A bar plus B bar. It is 3 minus 1 and it is 1. And in the third row take the component of second vector. It is 1, 7 and it is minus 3. Now find the value of determinant, we get a vector and it is a cross product. Okay, therefore we can write here I cap into determinant. Okay, eliminate row and column. Find the determinant of this. Minus 1 into minus 3, it is 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. Minus J cap into minus 9 minus 9 minus 1. It is minus 9 minus 1. And plus K cap into 21 plus 1. Okay, 21 and minus the product of these two terms, it is a minus 1. Therefore 21 plus 1, and therefore it is minus 4I cap. Then minus 10, it is plus 10 J cap, and last plus 22 K cap. It is a cross product of A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. Okay, cross product of these two vectors, it is minus 4I cap plus 10 J cap and plus 22 K cap. Okay, now we see the next example. Next, next example number 2. find a unit vector perpendicular to the vectors it is j cap plus 2k cap and I cap plus j cap. Okay, now we want to find a unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. Okay, here let the given two vectors are here. Let's suppose it is a bar j cap plus 2k cap and b bar I cap plus j cap. Okay, here these are the two given vectors. We want to find the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, first we find the vector which is perpendicular to both the vector. Okay, and we know that the cross product of these two vectors is perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, therefore here a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Therefore first we find a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar, it is a determinant of I, j and it is k. Then in a second row component of the first vector and in third row component of the second vector. Okay, now vector first it is j and 2k. Therefore the coefficient of I cap it is 0, 1 and it is 2. 1 and it is 0. Okay, see carefully. Okay, a bar cross b bar, we want to find the vector perpendicular to j cap plus 2k cap and I cap plus j cap. Now it is to take the cross product. It is I cap into 0 minus 2 minus j cap into 0 minus 2, it is a 0 and minus 2, and plus k cap into 0 minus 1, it is a 0 minus 1, and therefore a bar cross b bar is equal to minus 2i cap plus 2j cap. It is a minus 2, therefore it is plus, and minus k cap. Now we want to find the unit vector perpendicular to this vector. Okay, therefore a unit vector it is now unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar. That is unit vector along a bar cross b bar. Okay, and therefore the unit vector along a bar cross b bar, it is a bar cross b bar upon magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Then a bar cross b bar, it is minus 2i cap plus 2j cap and minus k cap upon under root of minus 2 square plus 2 square and plus minus 1 square. Okay, and then it is 4 1, it is a 9, therefore it is 3. Therefore last answer it is 1 by 3 minus 2i cap plus 2j cap and minus k cap. It is a unit vector. It is unit vector perpendicular to the vector a bar and b bar. Okay, here we take unit vector in any direction. Okay, it is a plus or minus. Okay, therefore the required answer it is plus or minus 1 by 3 into minus 2i cap plus 2j cap and minus k cap. Okay, plus or minus 1 by 3 minus 2 I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. It is a vector, unit vector, perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay. Now we see the next. Next example, example number 4. If a bar is equal to 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap and b bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, then find a vector of magnitude 5 perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Okay. Now we want to find the vector of magnitude 5 perpendicular to the both A bar, and we want to find the vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar, and magnitude of that vector, it is a 5. Okay. Here given vectors A bar is equal to 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap and B bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now a vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar, therefore it is A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Therefore we can write it is A bar cross B bar is equal to, it is a determinant of I, j and it is k. 2, 1, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, then 1, minus 2, 1. 1, minus 2, 1. Now, here, take the cross product. It is I cap into 1, minus 6. 1, minus 6. See carefully. Okay. It is 1 and it is minus 6. Minus j cap into 2. It is 2 and it is plus 3. Then plus k cap into minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1, and therefore A bar cross B bar is equal to minus 5I cap minus 5I cap minus 5j cap and minus 5 k cap. Okay. Here it is a bar cross B bar, but we want to find the vector perpendicular to this vector and having magnitude 5. Therefore the vector we find the unit vector along this vector, that is the unit vector is a direction of that vector and 5 is a magnitude. Then we find the magnitude 5 and direction along the unit vector. We get the vector. Now first we find the unit vector along this vector. Therefore unit vector along vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar is. Okay, here unit vector along a vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Here it is a vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Now we want to find the unit vector along this vector. The unit vector, it is take a plus or minus a bar cross b bar upon magnitude of a bar cross b bar. It is a unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. That is a unit vector along a bar cross b bar. And then it is plus or minus 5 I cap minus 5 j cap and minus 5 k cap upon under root of minus 5 square plus minus 5 square and plus minus 5 square. Now the calculation is, it is plus or minus, okay, we take here minus plus 5 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 5 k cap, okay, here we take here minus or minus, okay, anything, upon under root 25 plus 25 plus 25, it is under root 75, and then it is, again here we can write here plus or minus plus, it is plus or minus 5 I cap plus j cap plus k cap upon, it is 5 under root 3, and therefore plus or minus 1 by under root 3 I cap plus j cap and plus k cap. It is a unit vector along this vector. That means the required vector in the direction of this vector, okay, and having magnitude 5 units. Therefore the vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar and having magnitude 5 is, it is plus or minus 5 upon under root 3 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap, okay, see carefully, it is unit vector, then multiply by the magnitude, it is a direction, and it is magnitude, it is the complete vector, plus or minus 5 upon under root 3 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. It is a unit vector, sorry, it is a vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar having magnitude 5, okay, and it is a unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar, and it is a vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar, okay, here see carefully, it is a bar cross b bar, this vector is a perpendicular to a bar and b bar, this is a unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar, and it is a vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar having magnitude 5, okay, here in the exam ask any one question out of 3, perpendicular to a bar and b bar, unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar, and a vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar having magnitude some scalar, here 5 replaced by any scalar, okay, 2 3 4 6 7 anything, okay, this. Now the next example is next we see the example number 7. If a bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, b bar is equal to 4I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, and C bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, then verify that A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay. Now, here we want to verify this. Given vectors are A bar, it is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. B bar, 4I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, and C bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Now verify A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay, we verify that it is a distributive law. Okay, we verify the distributive law on the vector product. Okay, now first find this side. Okay, here this side is a cross product of these two vectors. Okay, A vector is a given, but B plus C it is not given. First find B plus C. Okay, therefore we find the vector B bar plus C bar is equal to B bar plus C bar 5I cap minus 4j cap and plus 3k cap. It is a B bar plus C bar. Now A bar cross B bar plus C bar, cross product of these two vectors I, J, and it is K. Now A bar, it is the first vector I cap, so it is 1 minus 2 and 3 components of the first vector. Then component of the second vector, it is B bar plus C bar. This is vector 5 minus 4 and it is 3. Now it is I cap into minus 6 plus 12 minus 6 and it is plus 12 minus j cap into 3 minus 15 3 and it is minus 15 and plus k cap into minus 4 plus 10. It is minus 4 and it is plus 10. Therefore A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to, it is 6I cap, it is minus 12, therefore it is plus 12j cap, it is plus 6k cap. Okay, it is a ones equation number of 1. Now we find the RHS, that is A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Now first find A bar cross B bar. Okay, here, and it is A bar cross B bar is equal to I, J, and it is K. A bar 1 minus 2 3, B bar 4 minus 3 1. Okay, A bar it is 1 minus 2 3 and B bar 4 minus 3 1. Okay, now we take the cross product. It is finding the determinant. Minus 2 plus 9 minus 2 it is plus 9 minus j cap into 1 minus 12 1 and it is minus 12 and plus k cap into minus 3 plus 8 and therefore A bar cross B bar is equal to 7I cap plus 11j cap, it is minus 11, it is plus, and plus 5k cap. It is A bar cross B bar. Now we find A bar cross C bar. A bar cross C bar is equal to I, J, and it is K. A bar 1 minus 2 3 and C bar it is 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2. Now take the determinant. It is I cap into minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus j cap into 2 minus 3, it is 2 and minus 3, and plus k cap into minus 1 plus 2 it is -1 and it is +2. Okay, therefore a bar cross c bar, it is minus I cap, it is -1, therefore plus j cap, it is plus k cap. See carefully, -1, again it is -1 but it is minus, therefore plus, and it is plus. It is a bar cross c bar. Therefore we can find a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar is equal to, here a bar cross b bar, a bar cross c bar, then addition 7i minus I, it is 6i, 11j, and it is plus 12j cap, 5 plus it is 6k cap. It is equation number 2. It is 6, 12, 6, 6, 12, 6. Therefore, from 1 and 2, a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. Okay, it is a verified, both are the equal. Okay, a bar cross b bar plus c bar equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. Okay, see carefully.